Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Now I need some batting and wadding doing for the table topper and cushion cover I'm doing. Because I make a lot of quilts, I have strips of it left over, and if they're large strips I use them for other things. There's two of them here. I've run out of wadding at the moment, so until I get some more, this is what I'm going to do, is use these two up. So alter it to a zigzag stitch. Make sure you've got the foot on that will do a zigzag. To the widest setting and a wide stitch length. Put the two sides up together, put them under your presser foot, put it down, and we'll go for it now. I've got it on a three-way stitch, so it does 3 stitches for each zigzag, and just keep them both together. They've moved apart, move them back together. And that's it, and it basically means that they're offcuts that you're using, and with them being done side by side, there's not going to be a bulk line. So the larger pieces I put together and use for cushion covers, table toppers, that type of thing, or if I'm doing any trapunto work. And the smaller ones, I save them up. I have a pillowcase here, I'll show you. The smaller bits, like this, I still save because I can make cushion inserts with them, or I stuff these sewing machines with the wadding I've got, little toys, anything. I won't throw any of my batting away.